Hello everyone, this is Anna from Price Action. I hope you are doing well. Today I'm going to show you how our clients are gaining more than 100% of growth in just 3 months. Yes, you heard that right. If you already know about us, then you might know about our PAFX Algo, and if you don't, just to let you know that this is only possible when you are using our PAFX Algo. And today I'm going to show you how much our existing clients are making. And also to let you know, we are offering 3 different levels of risk at our PAFX Algo. Alright, so without any further ado, let's get into this. This is our first client's account of the day. We added this account in our PAFX Algo bot on 7th May with a high risk level. Can you see the growth of this account? His account had already made massive growth of 195% in such a short time. And obviously without doing anything. With this much of growth on his account, even if he deposits $500, he can buy an iPhone 13 Pro Max and still he's gonna have money left on his hand. That's what we call effortless trading, right? Let's go through his MD4 account for a bit and see how everything is going. As we all can see, most of the trades are closed in profit. You wanna see something more here? Alright, let's jump into the second account of today and see what that account is making. Just see the growth of this account had made with a moderate risk level. 130 since 2nd September. Like, isn't it crazy? If anyone deposits $5,000, he can buy a Ford Focus C with that. Alright. Let's have a look into the MD4 account. Well, as you can see, what I need to say here. You can all see by yourself the magical work that Algo is showing here. All of the trades are in deep blue here. Alright, let's move into the last account for today. But as you know, last is not the least, right? So before going through that account, I am really happy to let you know that now you can get our PAFX Algo for absolutely free. Yes, you have heard that exactly right. All you need to do is just to open an account with our partner broker to avail the PAFX Algo for absolutely free. So in this part of this video, I'm going to show you a MYFXBOOK with a low risk level. Even though this account has been with a low risk level, but our Algo managed to get 115% of growth since 12th of August. I know this is a very short time period. So let's look into the MD4 account. I know you can see that it's always blue with our PAFX Algo. This account had, if you can see here also, all of these trades have been taken by PAFX Algo. You can see that, right? If someone even deposits $10,000 into his account, he could have invested all of this money in a stable stock like S&P 500 or maybe in something else. So before wrapping up for today, I'm just informing you we are having a Black Friday sale in our PAFX Algo, where you can get 35% off on any plan you want to pick. Even I have mentioned that you can get our PAFX Algo for absolutely free. So all you need to do is just open an account with our partner broker and deposit as little as $500. Even you can get this for lifetime for free by only depositing $1,000. We don't have any hidden charges, so don't think about that. Where even the banks are giving you a monthly return of 2 to 3% only, and the value of your money is decreasing time to time, with our PAFX Algo, you are getting a consistent profit of 20 to 40% each month. I think you have already decided, and this is already clear to you which one is going to be the best idea for you. So what you are waiting for? Get a PAFX Algo today and be profitable without doing anything.